We need to deal with this mess in here today. Room shuffle is needed. Change is as good as a holiday. This is gonna go today. I gotta deal with this piece of junk. Okay, project of the day is to get rid of this thing. As you can see, it's a cluttered mess. Like, if I have one piece in each square, it's not so bad. I think with the Easter thing there, it's looking a bit cluttered. The idea today is to be able to find new homes for all of this stuff, because I did buy something new that's gonna go here. This is just a cheap piece of furniture from Target. And as you can see, like, it's starting to peel as well there. And when it was put together, you can see like there's little cracks and stuff in it. It is old. Like, it's been, oh gosh, it's been here for a long time, probably 10 years. So for a cheap piece of Target furniture, I think it's served its purpose, and yeah, it's time to move it on. So you can even see like even the white's wearing on it as well. But you know how it go when you living on the hope of your past life. And I feel like I can't take it no more. No, I can't keep up, it's just never enough. Life just keeps on giving me detours and never lets up. Always switching it up. These days, life's been a freeway. Time just keeps flying and I can't keep up. And they say I need to face things. I actually can't believe that fits. I was actually worried that I was going to be one short. So that's cool. The other option is I put a shelf down here, which I'm thinking is a good option too. Yes. As some of you guys might know, who've been watching me for ages, I have no linen closet, and there is not a lot of storage in this house because it is quite small. So I'm thinking that that might be the best bet. I'm not trying to ignore the fact that I've got a child and she has toys, because they're all full of toys and this is literally all of her toys out there. But the idea is I get this buffet and I buy little baskets for the inside of it, and we're gonna pick toys out of here, pop them in there, and then she can swap them around. So it's just to eliminate so much mess that's out there, and it is really unnecessary when she's, you know, may use 20% of what's out there and it's all stored out there and it just looks like an ugly mess. So that is how I'm trying to combat that situation and give that little bit of an area a bit of a makeover at the same time, and obviously be easier for me to clean. And welcome back, and today is a bit of a change, a bit of a reshuffle, a bit of a redecorate with me, a bit of a organize with me, a little bit of cleaning as you move things around. So that is what you're going to see today. As some of you guys know, I'm on that sort of like a minimalism journey, and I've just been sort of, I suppose, trying to make my life easier when it comes to cleaning and maintaining my home. So I have picked up a furniture piece that hopefully was supposed to be changing a few things for me, but we'll get into the reason why it's just not happening a bit later on. But anyway, yeah, so as you guys have seen, I did start on this video, and then what happened is I got home and I found the cat had passed away, and like this, I knew it was going to happen, but yeah, it's 13 years I had this cat. And I think I took it okay until I told Tahlia, and the scream on her, oh my gosh, I just lost it. Like, I literally just lost it. and I just become very emotional. So I pretty much spent my day dealing, you know, with the cat, you could say, because it wasn't a pretty scene. So yes, today we are on a bit more of a positive note. So yes, we're going to continue on with this video that I was doing. And yeah, we're going to be just doing a bit of a reshuffle and things like that, because we're on holidays at the moment and it might look bright and nice, but it has been raining, sunshine. So yes, rather than us going away at this minute, I am going to save my beans because towards the end of the week, it's meant to be nice. So we're going to go away then and make the most of it. And I'm going to make the most of today inside. So I hope you guys enjoy and let's jump into it. So a bit of an op shop drop today. I have things to go to Officeworks, which is like an old security system. And I've got things to return to Bunnings because I don't need them anymore. A bit of a story about that, but I'll share that with you a bit later on. And I just went through all the keys that I had and USBs and everything that are in here. So these are getting dropped off Officeworks. Scary story. I opened this door, which I never ever open, to test the keys to see which one fits that door, and a heap of spiders dropped from the top and like crawling out towards me. I'm like, ah! So yeah, moral of the story is I need to clean that door and use that a bit more often, I think.
Deny all you want via text, no response, are you still up? Still thinking of us? Can we make up? It's so hard to forget all the bad things that went on between us. Those times are better, you know we were better.
I love this little nook here, and it's so close to the kitchen, so it makes it really convenient. But this is actually originally where the island bench was, so you can see up in the ceiling where the overhead cupboards was, and then the island bench went just in here. So I'm probably going to put another island bench in because it's a bit odd without it. It's a lot of room in this area, so I'm going to actually put this where I would normally put the kitchen table. So I'm just going to pop it in this area, and I think it's going to look really, really good. This is how it is looking. I couldn't help it, I had to go clean the mirror. So these little bits up here above the mirror will be patched up when I get the plaster in, and I'm actually going to repaint. So yes, stay tuned for that. It is a little while off yet though, but yeah, I think it's turned out really cute.
It looks so pretty. It looks so pretty. And I can do my dancing.
Yep, she's really excited because that's her new dance spot apparently. Isn't it? Yeah. This is how it is looking. This pole here obviously needs to be moved, but I will worry about that at a later stage because I have to work out what I'm doing. And this white cube unit here, my sister's actually taking it, so it's not staying there. This area will look much different once that is gone too.
How do I deal with what I'm feeling? Maybe I just don't. What you doing? I'm in ruins all alone.
So this is how this area is looking. I don't love it. Honestly, I need to replace this mirror. It's actually not my style anymore. I'm thinking about putting a full length mirror in, so I might actually pop this onto Marketplace and yeah, go from there. But this is what I've done with it so far. I find it a real waste of, you know, putting a fake plant here, and I've got all this lighting here too, so I reckon I'm gonna buy a nice big like bird of paradise or something like that for this area. You know how when you're watching a movie and it gets to a really good bit and all the good bits are left to go and then they stop the movie, yeah, I'm going to do it to you. I feel like there's so much good stuff, you know, in this video, and I don't want to chop it anymore, but I don't want to put a half-hour video out because I have just been editing this video and it literally goes for over half an hour. So rather than me doing that, I thought I would just cut it off here and I will post the rest in another couple of days. So you're going to see like 2 videos for the week, or, you know, within a couple of days of each other. So you'll see like the part 2 to this. But yeah, there's heaps of more organising and reshuffling to go, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. So until then, I will see you.